we're gonna look some hurricanes. Do you see that one? It's gonna go to TD, tropical depression, to tropical storm, to STS, to typhoon, to the regular one, and it's gonna get bigger, and it's gonna get smaller as it goes further. And after that, this is now. You can see that the TD from now that goes all the way from very strong one. It's gonna go very strong to the weaker one. But the second hurricane has formed. And it's gonna go upwards. And let's go all the way from the clouds. Thanks for watching. See you next time. And bye.